It's the first tour here in Madeira. What's the plan today? We are gonna cross the island. I started from Santana and cross basically the whole island until the other side to a town called Caminho de Lobos, which is close to Funchal.
This part of the trail was pretty flat. It went through a jungle-like forest and followed a levada. But wait, what is a levada?
You find them all over the island. This is what they call levada. In total there are 200 levadas and in total more than 2,000 kilometers connecting over the whole island.
These man-made channels were built for irrigation of agricultural fields, partially already built by the early settlers. Those levadas bring large amounts of water from the north and northwest to the drier parts of the island.
I made already the first kilometers. The plan is now to follow this levada. It's the Levada de Santana and then heading up the mountain. I think it's in total today 2,200 meters up and in total I think 25 kilometers. Crossing the island from north to south takes around 50 to 60 kilometers. So I will distribute it across the 2 days. Should be manageable. This is what we call a peeing rock. And we are getting higher and higher. In case you didn't recognize, we're actually going the whole time up. Look at this. And okay, not the biggest stream.
Parts of Madeira is covered by the Laurisilva, which is the world's largest surviving area of primary laurel forest. A type of forest that once covered most parts of southern Europe. The Laurisilva has a predominant role in maintaining the hydrological balance of the island. But not only because of that, it is an important heritage that all of us must protect.
So, I left the levada and now it goes up. Whew. Like a little moisty jungle. Alright, so I made already 660 meters of incline up and I'm going now on the Pico Ruivo, which is a mountain, I think the highest mountain actually, which is on 1,800 meters. It's pretty steep so far. Whew. Not sure if you can see it, but there in front, down there, this is Santana. This is the village where I started from. I found the trace of cows. Okay, very quiet. I found the target. They are here. Here are the cows. I love cows. Good, so I make a quick break. I'm now at 1,400 meters. The mountain that I climbed now is 1,800, so I should be almost at the top, 400 meters left. The last 1-2 hours was like just steep up. Whew, I hope you can see this, but I can only see 5 meters in front. And then it's full in fog. Apparently it's up there. All the stones here. I will try to go maybe here. It should be less slippery. Whew. Slowly, but steady. That's the trick. Oh god. Whew. Okay, here I think it's best. Let's try it. Woo! Look at this. Amazing. There's a marking. Interesting. Does it say I should go here? I shouldn't. I made it. Seems here gets the normal way again. So apparently it was the right way. I was a bit worried. This was actually not the way. Doesn't seem like, but apparently it was. And on top, all cloudy. This mountain is amazing.
Road sign, white lines, long drive, and I'm feeling something holding me back. Cut ties, ride, and I never wanna go back. A long drive.
I'm here now on the PR11. It's 7 o'clock. It's getting dark in 1 hour. My plan is to push through around half an hour more. There is a shelter and I'm trying to get water there and find a nice spot to make my camp. I am recording now a little bit less because it's getting dark in 35 minutes and I really want to reach this shelter where I can get some water. Otherwise I have still 1 liter left. It's enough for some food, but yeah, I'd like to make some tea and have a cozy night. Look at this. And 500 meters to the house. I got some water. I got my water. Now I just need my sleeping room. That's my bedroom for tonight. Today I have my ultralight setup. I'll show you what I have. First of all, protection. Then, this is an outer research, my beloved helium BB. It's ultralight. The cool thing about this BB is it is actually a BB tent. And my thermarest near Uberlight. I made a review about this and some other sleeping pads I have. Find the link on top.
Up here on 1800 meters, it got already pretty cool. And that night had a clear sky. I saw the most amazing sky. If you ask me to describe it, I would not be able to, but see yourself.
Stillness over the water, the traumatized, heavy waters. I used to be so young and free, but now I'm bound by the bonds that be. I know what I should do, and I've known it for a long time.
Good morning. I put already the BV away and packed everything, ready to get some breakfast. We got a fire. And now I'm gonna set up the water and then make the breakfast. And coffee.
Come meet me by the river under the willow tree. I love you gold and silver. Come sit a while with me. Here in the twilight singing. Here in the evening breeze. Here tonight.
Today's journey will bring you from the mountain Pico Ruivo to Pico Alto, along the famous Pico to Pico trail. After that, I will climb down the mountain and hike on a plateau on a height of 1,200 meters, until I descend down back to the city. Enjoy these views and this amazing trail. And if you like this video, I would be really happy about a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on new adventures, and if you want to support me, my projects and my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
See the clouds and let them be. Keep every story of your days a mystery. Hear the songs in the breeze. Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
The last stair up. I think I made it. I'm on top of Pico Ruivo. So, you see behind me is the top of the Pico Alto. I hope I say it right. And now the rest of my journey begins. And we are going down and down and down.
It gets about time to leave the mountains, but for now I will continue to hike on a plateau, which is around 1,200 meters above sea level. And then after some kilometers I will have a steep decline. While I was being on the road, I decided to adjust the route, and now I arrived directly in Funchal.
Listen. There's no sound except of some insects and some birds. It's one of the nicest things of hiking and also being in nature in general. It's a moment to completely slow down and just enjoy a silence, being sort of away from cities and cars and phones. It's really, really peaceful. It's so nice. Cheers! Ice cold. Oh wow. Seems like an endless highland. It's really weird because of this fog and also because of the temperature. It's really hard to tell what time it is. If I would not have a watch, it could be everything. It could be 9 in the morning, 8 in the evening. It's like really dark and quite fresh. Look at this. This is beautiful. I think now the next kilometers I'm following this river. Oh my god, the fog is gone. Suddenly I was just walking some stairs and now the fog is gone. On top, yes, but I can see the sea. This blue thing there in front. It's the sea. If I can see the sea or the ocean, that means my island crossing is almost over. Can you see this and hear this? This is how life sounds. Or a public toilet. So, look at this. This is Funchal.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
And back at the Levadas.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
After 2 days of hiking and 1 night not really sleeping, I finally arrived on the top part of Funchal. And I crossed the whole island, starting from Santana till here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.